Stop wasting hours manually cutting your long videos into shorts. This tool, Klap AI, does it in seconds. Automatic. With cards, zooms, captions, and all. And no, this is not just another AI that butchers your videos. Klap is actually smart. It knows what moments will go viral. And today, I'm giving you a deep dive into how to use Klap AI and how to get the best results, what not to do, whether it's even worth deploying long term. So, first things first, Klap AI is an AI tool that automatically turns long form videos, our podcast, into high retention vertical content, perfect for shorts, reels, and TikToks. It basically uses AI transcriptions, speaker detections, auto jump cuts, auto captions, social optimized framing. And the best part, it don't even take 5 minutes. So some to this website. I'll provide the link in the description. Sign in with any of your email, paste any YouTube videos right here, and click on the generate. Once uploaded, it will start processing automatically. No complicated settings, no editing timeline needed. So after 1 or 2 minutes, Clap will give you multiple vertical clips with different titles and hooks, even with different captions. Simply, as you can see, I have provided a link of a YouTube video, which was a podcast, and it gave me total 20 shots. And if I want to generate some more, I can do that. Simply, I'll have to click on this. Simply, I'll have to click on this generate new, and it will give you some suggestions, the evolution on of content creation and its impact on creators. Let's see. Simply click on the generate and you'll have to wait a little bit. It's generating. So as you can see, and right here it will be showing you where from where it took the video, as you can see here. And not only that, it will give you the viral score, which is I like this very much. And to be honest, it actually works. So after the video is generated, simply watch it from here.
The first time I saw you had, I'd never watched you before. You never know that part. What was I so shitty on? Was it a product? Yeah. Or was it for sale? What to say that? It's a sound for that. I think it goes pro directional. It is Mary Oaks. Was that our first one? For one nerves. Yeah, or it might be one of the two, but you might think it still stands. Like, it didn't feel like how
So as you can see,
I just watched just starting up. No, it worked. It was
so as you can see from the cutting the video to the captions, even the speaker detection, everything has made with this Clap AI, and it actually does pretty good. So, and that's not it. It also has a way more features than it does. Simply, if you're not happy with the caption style, click on this edit pen icon. It's called the edit icon. From here, you can do whatever you want. Totally. Literally, whatever you want. You can, if you want to change the highlight color of the text, you can do that from here. You can even add some more highlight colors. Simply, I don't want yellow highlights. I want it to be little pinkish. Yes. Now, let's see. Delete it.
right. Most naturally funny footballer off camera.
This 56-second shot could have take an editor a whole freaking day to from looking at the video, finding the best clips to edit it like this. It could have been take a whole and 2 days minimum to make a video like this. But right now with AI, you can do it within couple of minutes. So not only that, it has a way lot of features like you can change the fill color of the text, you can change the prompt, you can change the font of the text, font style, font size, even the total. You can change the total style of this video. Like right now, it has the classic one. Simply go to the default one, and as you can see, not only that, which also has some more. It has plenty options. And from all of this, I like the Mr. Beast one. Why not? So this caption styles represents Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast normally uses this style. And by the way, this one is called save area. Save area means right here your those social media icons and share button options are from here. So that's why it's there to show you to avoid this kind of area. I'll personally suggest you to keep it 120 and put captions under that, not besides this safe area. You can even select the if you want it to one two line or one word, you can even do that. And not only that, it also has lots of caption styles. And Mr. Beast is my personal favorite. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And after that, simply come to this caption options, and from here you will be.
Yeah, difference is mad funny. You saw what being lot bit more naturally funny to see. Decorate, yeah, decorate is mad fun. Very, very. Just like you guys just see the outcome. Yeah, so
Okay, if you want to change any captions, simply you can change it from here. If you want to add any emojis to add, simply click on this select emoji options, and you can search your emojis, or you can simply drag down to find whatever you want. Simply, as you can see, it's added. So suppose you don't want your videos to be vertical, you can make it square. Yes, you can apply for Instagram. If you want to make it for your long video, simply click on the original and it will be showing you this. So there are some more options called prop. As you can see from this one you can. So if you think your frame is a little bit off, simply if you click on the crop option, and right from here you can select your actual camera frame by your own hand, which is actually great. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Okay, after that, simply if you think it has some flaws, you want to delete it, all you have to do is to delete the text. As you can see, I don't know this part. I'll just simply click on this delete and voila. No timeline headache, nothing. Just simply delete the text and it will delete and trim the video at the same time. And from the video option, you can even upload your own overlays. Click on upload, and whatever you want to upload, simply click on open and it will be uploaded by here, and you can add that your overlay. And here's the deal. And here's how to get better clips from Klap. And these are not any secrets. These are the basic stuff. All you have to do is to upload high energy videos. Then AI can pick up on energy books and emotional peaks. You should use timestamp or chapters in your YouTube videos. So Claps can understand structure. Claps understands structure better than sections. And last but not least, the let's be real. Clap is not perfect yet. It's not great with multi-person crosstalk, complex storytelling, B-roll heavy content. Also, the zooms and autocuts can sometimes feel robotic. It's true. So always double check before posting. Always tweak your captions, adjust pacing if it's needed. So the final words. If you're not using AI tools like Klab in 2025, you're moving slower than the creators. You're competing with speed wins, output wins, but quality still matters. Start testing it, make 5 clips today, post them, learn what works. The future is not AI versus creator, it's creators versus AI. Subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, editing tricks, and how to stay ahead as a creator in 2025. Drop a comment what if you have used Clap AI before.